Namaste friends, this is Nisha Thakur here and I'm an online tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve formulas for a given variable. Here solving formulas is much like solving general linear equations. The only difference is we will have several variables and we will be attempting to solve for one specific variable. When solving formulas for a variable, we need to focus on the one variable we are trying to solve for. All the other are treated just like numbers. Here I am taking two questions 3x equal 12 and wx equals z, just like this. But here numbers 3 and 12 and we have to solve for x, and here w and z um, uh, are just like you can treat like a number and solve for x. So here 3 is multiplying with x and here w is multiplying with x. So here we can divide by 3 both side for removing this, and here we want to remove this w, so both side divide by w. So here 3 3 cancel. So here x equal 4, 12 divided by 3 4, and here x z upon w. So this is the answer for x when given many variables, and when given only one variable, so we can solve like this. Very easy questions, just you can treat other variables like a number. Here solve for n. So what should we do here? M is adding with n, so both side subtract m. And n, this is cancel, equal p minus m. And this is one step linear equation. Okay. Okay, in the bracket x minus y equal b. So we have to solve for a. So this parenthesis is multiplying with a. So both side divide by this parenthesis x minus y. Okay, this is cancel, a equal b upon x minus y. Very easy questions, right? So this is our answer. Now same question, but now solve for x. Okay. So here solve for x, we have to open parenthesis and use distributive property. So x a multiply with x ax and a multiply with y ay, and write minus here. Okay, this is b. And okay, we have to solve for x, right? Remember this thing. So we want to remove this, so both side add a y. Okay, so ax equal, because this is cancel, b plus ay. Very simple questions, right? Now both side divide by a. So x equal b plus ay upon a. This is the answer. We solved for x. Okay. Y equal mx plus b. This is our equation and we solve for m. So this is mx and b. So we want to remove b. So both sides subtract b. Y minus b equal mx. Now We have to remove here from m. So both side divide by m. Yeah. Here cancel. Just write x y minus b upon m. And this is our answer. Okay. Okay. This is another question. Now this is question a equal pi r square plus pi r s, and we have to solve for s. It means we have to remove this part pi r square, subtract both side. So here in left hand side a minus pi r square, and this is cancel. Just here pi r s. And how to solve for s here? Both side divide by pi r. Okay, this is pi r cancel. Just write as, and this is a minus pi r square upon pi r. This is our answer. We solved for s. Okay, very simple questions. If you know how to solve linear equations, one step, two step, and multi step. Okay. Here given this is another question, h equal to m upon n for here solve for m. So here n 2m upon n is dividing, so both side multiply by n. Okay, now this is cancel. Here just 2m, and here we can write nh, because in algebra we don't write multiplication sign. Okay, now we have to remove from here 2, so both side divide by 2, so m equal nh upon 2, and our final answer is m equal nh upon 2. You can skip this step. Okay, you can write direct this one. Okay, now this is another question, and here solve for a. So what should we do? Hmm, can we this just solve like fractions, so we can here same denominator, so we can add easily numerator. Okay, and b is here divide, so other side multiply, or we can say both side multiply by b. Okay, so a plus c equal e b. Okay, now subtract both sides c, so our answer is e b minus c. Okay, this is our answer. And if you write in alphabetical order, so write b e minus c. Actually answer always write in alphabetical order. Okay, okay, this is your work. Please solve this question, and when done, so please write answer. um, how did you solve? Take a screenshot and send me. You can email me, and if you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye, have a nice time.